4, that's power, and increase 123.15 if you need shock.
How many buckles do you need for the aerobatics aircraft?
You can count.
That's countless. So what happened now?
The smoke boil is not working. Like the one that.
Extra. We're good.
Yeah, good to pump.
Well, in cruise, I can bring it down.
Okay.
Aerobatics and probably burning 15.
So that'll give you a range of like only 300 around.
Hey, airshow taxi.
So what's the deal?
I actually called earlier the air boss. I said, well, I'm hesitant, but I'll give it a try. We'll taxi to take off. I'll do my run up and then we'll see how the conditions are going. So Steve followed me too. He was like, we'll see. Ross took off. And then Airbus actually called me just before the takeoff saying, hey, the show wants us to stand down and give a chance to people to actually go in the hangar, because people are so excited about the show that they're ready to watch even in the rain. But they wanted us to maybe like slow down and wait it out.
Okay.
So then we had exciting air show taxiing and we came back to the ramp for now.
Awesome. That is some brilliant taxiing. Well done.
It's raining.
So are you performing today?
We don't know yet. It's raining. Did I mention? No, we don't know. We have clouds sitting on the nearby mountains right now. And worst case, the show will be static ground and lots of selfies in front of the planes. We have another hour and a half until we start. So we have time.
We'll see. Okay, Mr. Performing. Yes! It's smoke!
Oh,
So-
this is the oil container.
This is the smoke oil tank.
I see.
So and there's the line under the floor, and that this pump that is installed just in front of the firewall
Right.
injects drops of oil, like the spray of oil, into the exhaust.
Into the exhaust. Oh, it's exhaust. Okay.
So it's the hot gas of the exhaust mixed with oil.
Oh, I see. So I can do this to a Cessna if I want, right?
Absolutely.
I have a question, and I want to know where you're looking as the aircraft transitions across the different directions of flight when you're turning and you're doing your acrobatics.
So in aircraft, you have seen there are lots of instruments. We don't look there. We look outside. What you see is what you get. And usually we like seeing the horizon and the ground, not looking at the sky directly. We are looking at the ground and always seeing where we are going. We need to make sure we are high enough, we have enough speed. So energy management is critical for all of these planes. And we start our maneuvers at certain altitudes and speeds, which is called entry speed. And then we are going through the maneuver. We can be seeing our ground on the side, can be in front of us, can be on top of us. But we are always referencing some ground. And here you will see we have this taxiway in front of us. This is the line, which is called a 500-foot line. We are not allowed to get anywhere closer than that to you.
Are you cold? Okay, I have a jacket.
That's 3, right? Robert, is he okay to have his back?
So which Garmin is this?
G3X.
G3X, okay.
Yeah.